Nice. G'day collaborators, and welcome to yet another technology unboxing video, because that's what this channel is all about from now on. And that's what this is going to be. Nice Applejack. Alright, so I need a new mouse, because this one cost me like $9 from Umart, and well, it so I needed a new one. So what I did was, so this guy, bloody Q80 neon gaming mouse. Those are the buzzwords that it's got me to purchase it. So anyway, this one was $23, so hopefully it's gonna last at least 2 and a bit times longer. Hang on, let me do the math for a sec. 2 and 5/9 longer than that. So that's 2.555555, I think. I'm pretty sure. I can't remember how ninths work. Anyway, so yeah, this is that. 3,200. Oh, you can't see that. 3,200 CPI adjustable resolution, 500, 1,000, 1,200, and so on and so forth. 3 neon lighting effects. The stick of the tripod's in the way, so that's why it's on. Braided cable. Button lifetime. So there we go. 10 million times that I can just. I don't know what I'm clicking on there. 2 thumb side buttons. Yes, these are very important for my intense gaming. Okay, and we've got some armor as well. We've got some 300 km armor that increases durability and sensitivity by at least +5 points, but it does in -6 to cohesion and style. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this beast. Oh, there's a sticky thing. Hang on. Keys. All right. Oh, got it. There we go. Keys. Open many things. All right. Including this padlock that I got with my lockpicking set. This is not the lockpicking lawyer, and what I have for you today is a transparent padlock. Now, this is used mainly for practicing picking, but what I have for you today, what I'm just going to show you here, is this one little neat feature. When you unlock it, the fucking shackle just launches. There we go. There we are. So launch it towards the camera. Anyway, so very delicate pieces of equipment right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and just get it out of the box. Oh shit! Oh shit! I got 2 bloody hand stickers. They're both, are they different hands? No, they're both right-handed handprints. These must be the babies that they sacrificed in order to get that into the packaging, because that was not coming out. But I did it because I'm a legend. All right. So let's I don't need this. Unless I want to mime having a mouse that works. There we go. No, Alright, so this is, ooh, it's got a nice little brushy sort of feel to it. And the main reason why I purchased it, like, okay, so I'm becoming sort of like a PC gamer nerd slut sort of thing. Specifically for this, there's lights, there's LEDs in the wheel itself. And that's gonna send me donkers. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is just get this out of the... There we go. Just out of the cardboard. Don't need that anymore. So, ooh, it's got a red USB thing. It doesn't matter because I'm not going to see it, but I'll now know what the difference is between my keyboard and my mouse USB. Yes, they're too similar. Oh yes, and it's also got one of these boyos. Excellent stuff. Yes, and the cable is all nice and it's got that braided stuff to it, so it should. There we go, it should last a bit longer, because braids are good. And this is the bottom of it. It's good stuff. I imagine that this is where I can replace the, do a screwdriver and replace the bottom of it if I so choose. And hopefully this is going to last a bit longer than this guy. Now, the big reason why I had to replace this guy is that for some reason, this mouse like hangs sometimes. The mouse doesn't move on the screen. I'm not sure if it's a computer issue. I really hope it's not a computer issue, because if it is, that's a little bit more expensive than getting a $23 mouse. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so just to absolve this mouse of its sins, I'm going to get a new mouse. Oh, I've got a new mouse just to test to see if the mouse still hangs on the computer. And if it does, then I'm going to be a sad little boy. But if it doesn't, I'll use this mouse for my Strixie laptop. And this one's going to be for my desktop. So it's going to be pretty sweet, pretty easy. Alright, so let me just go ahead and do the old switcheroo. So let me get this boyo down here. Okay, I'm just going to... God, good it. Alright. Okay. Ooh, it's pretty. It's pretty. Okay, so I'm pretty sure... Oh, it's got the rainbow. It's got the rainbow, guys. It tastes the rainbow, you know what I'm saying. And I'm pretty sure if I... That one, it'll change its mode. Maybe. Oh, yep, there we go. It's just turned off. And it's back on... It's on mode. And now it's on pulse mode. And now it's on solid mode. And now it's on off mode. But what I'm interested in is what this does. Like, does it like change color if I'm in intense gaming mode, or is it just red forever? That's what I kind of want to find out. It's got a nice feel to it. I do kind of like the aesthetic of the split mouse buttons, how there's like a gap in the center. I do kind of like that aesthetic. That's one of the other reasons why this one is pretty good for me. This one was only $9, mind you. $9. It was on sale and it was pretty fucking brilliant for what it was. The Scorpion M201, born for gaming. But this guy, the bloody Neon X-Glide gaming mouse. So this one is going to be my new one from now, and watch until I just break this one. And it seems to do its thing, and you can see. So yeah, $23 from Umart itself. I have to say, I do quite like the split mouse buttons, but I'm not sure if I can jive with the slightly off-center cable positioning there. That's only because I'm a central perfectionist, I guess. I don't know, maybe not OCD so much, but I just like things being in line and ordered and symmetrical. But you know, it doesn't really matter that much, because as I'm rubbing Applejack's eyeball here, the cable positioning doesn't affect that much on the actual use of the mouse, so it seems to be okay. And yeah, it does a thing, and it doesn't seem to be hanging right now, but I'll get back to you when I start playing Call of Duty on hardcore mode. I only play against bots, so it's okay. But I don't like my flow being interrupted, so that's why I got a new mouse. Anyway, so yeah, we'll see how this boyo goes, but that's what it is at the moment. Is there anything else in the box? And look, it's got armor. It still works too, but there's like a little bit of play. Like if I go that way, it takes a bit for you can sort of see the mouse wheel sort of like metronoming a tiny bit between my fingers here. Oh, it makes clicking painful. We don't need that. Anyway, yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say for today. I don't know where I'm gonna put these. Probably somewhere. It's a good place to put them. But yeah, as for now, thank you so much for watching this video. This is what this channel is going to be. But anyway, as for now, this is Quilliman signing out. Goodbye, and good luck. Bye.